The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning. Sally, Claudia, Tom, fellas, good morning. Thank you, Deepak, Jock, Nick, guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, October 20th. Very good morning, guys. Yeah, hey, Hubba. Joe, good morning to you. Fellas, if you are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Some of you, this is day 4. Some of you, day 3. Couple of you, or number of you, day 2. Good morning and welcome back, fellas. We chopped around yesterday pretty good. We're kind of chopping around again today, but it looks to me like the ES is trying to get back up to that 30. I'll show you the charts. I'll do what I do every day first, which is read the disclaimer. And from there, I will go over charts. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask. All right. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right. Natural gas. I had it on until 7 o'clock. It took one trade, target one, and then break even. This will be off the rest of the day. Natural gas will be off the rest of the day. It is inventory day. I do not run the natural gas spot on inventory day. It's up $60. That's where it'll finish. Russell, of course, does not trade until 9:30, so we have nothing there. Crude has not taken a trade as of yet today. NASDAQ is currently up $875. And last but not least is the ES, which is currently in a long, just fired a long. So we'll see what we get there. Well, ES would have hit the second target that was given on that subsequent signal. It did not get to first target yet. I believe it will. NASDAQ is pushing a pivot here, as is ES pushing pivots. ES gets above that 20. You know, I think that October historically is a very bullish month. And I think part and parcel of the problem is half the world is short or has puts. Yep, October's historically bullish. Morning, Greg. Greg, why don't you drive the 6 hours in from Indiana and go to the game with us? Hop on that bike, man. There's target one. There's target too. Here comes that 30 target, fellas. 121.12. Yeah, man. I've got 13. I'll go with your 12. We got the same trade. Corn, grains closed in 7 minutes. Corn just sold. Wheat sold. Let's see here, Paul. Okay. Yeah, we can do that for you. We can do that, Paul. Just pay attention to the. So I will do the same thing you guys are doing with your Apex. I will do the same. Okay. It's been a minute since I've done that, but I will do it. ES just traded into that hourly trend line. NASDAQ, I'm waiting on another bar, which is in 25 seconds. If NASDAQ comes down below 11,072, now it's 70 handles away, it could be, held the bottom of the hourly cloud. And crude's going to jock me around. Crude came one tick from target, first target. Let's see what happens here at 50. NASDAQ could bounce back to 185 or fade here. I would try a short on NASDAQ 24. 24 short NASDAQ. First target. You could take 15 or hold out for 01. So you could take a 15. We held 18. Come on, get your keister down here. 16 sellers, 30 sellers, 38 sellers, 44 says. We've got sellers, 50. That's why I hate pre-market. Just hate pre-market. 35 buyers came in. Four sellers, three sellers, no sellers, one. Come on, sellers, let's go. $16 sellers. Down to 6. Fuck. Hate pre-market, fellas. Hate it. We're holding support. We've got to sell back below 29. Come on. Get back below 24, come down to 15, and then go. ES is pressing that damn trend line. Got 108 sellers now. So you could take a target at 15, and if that breaks, we're coming 101. If they're trying to hold this last small area of support. Five-minute support. I need that swing here at 15. There it is, target filled. So if you're more aggressive, you could hold for 101. It's coming to 101, I'm telling you it is. Okay, target 1 is filled. Stops at break even. Now we need a breakdown below VWAP. You got a $350 runner. VWAP has been pulled higher. We're coming down. Nice job, Paul. We got 02 quarter. If you guys want to take your risk off, feel free. If we break down below VWAP, it's going to get smacked. It's trying to hold VWAP. All right. So you have two choices here. You've got a $300 in the runner, take it off, or leave your stop at break even. Got to break below VWAP, and we can get to 78, maybe 80, trading multiples of micros instead of 1 mini. Nice job. We've got to get below VWAP. We're going to come below VWAP at some point. They're selling it. We got 1,100 sellers. If this breaks VWAP, this could be a nice trade. Buyers are trying to hold it, but they're trading back up into this sell zone here. Come on, just give up the ghost. Need this to get back down below 06. These small buyers down here in the bottom. I don't like the consolidation above VWAP. This could punch back up, but stop is at break even. Or if you guys want to take your runner off, you can take your runner off, or runners, whatever you're doing. You should only have one on if you're trading funded accounts. Or here we go. I got to get down below 06. There we go. Come on. Wiped out the buyers. Oh, come on. Don't be bashful. ES clinging to 3,700. We went to exactly to 30 and failed at 30. There we go. There we go. Come on, sellers. Sellers are pressing, guys. Below VWAP, we have some support at 84. You can drop your stop down to 18.75. And 19. If the 19 goes, it's going to pop back up just above these sellers. Okay, out. Crude still hanging around. No stop, no target. All right. You guys good? Here comes crude on the bot. If we get a breakdown below this VWAP here, guys, I'll be short again. Anybody that trades ZB, I'm still watching it for the trade. Copper, nothing. Yeah, I'm watching bonds. I didn't get a close. I need a 10-minute close below the cloud. It's got to close. Now, if it pushes back down through the bottom of the cloud on the 10-minute at 13, it's coming down, guys. Bonds are going to come down. No, I'm looking at this stop is at break even, +1. Okay, didn't go. I have no idea. I mean, I do not know. You can cancel that. Natural gas selling hard. Again, I don't have the bot on, so it's moot. You probably get another short at 17 on NASDAQ. I won't take it. If we're going to have this kind of volatility, we could trade this all day long back and forth. All right, grains are closed until 9:30. ES looks like if ES breaks back below 04, I mean, I have ES in a short with a stop at 14. All right, crude got both targets on that bot. Crude got both targets. Crude's up 880. So on the day, we're up about 2,200 on the bots. Copper is going to short. Copper's a short if you trade HG. Copper is a short. Here's your short on the NASDAQ, 17. . I will definitely take it on a break below VWAP. There's crude if you sold ES if you sold 04, 3,700 was target 1. If you sold 04, came to 01. Looks to me, if we break down below about 95, below 95 should take us into the lows of the day, back into that 80 area. All right, NASDAQ sold on the bot. Come on. If this is going to move lower, it's going to be in 15 seconds. Three, two, one. All right, now it can move lower. Right now, new 3-minute bar. Come on. They're selling them pretty aggressively. Buyers are trying in here. We have 90 net sellers in this 3-minute block. 80, 76. Buyers are trying to hold it down to 77. Back up to 90. If you guys are watching order flow, I mean, you can see it. I don't think that they can hold the NASDAQ. The sellers are, I mean, there's a real war here. Oh, did we miss first target? Yeah, just missed. There's target 1. Here comes the break of VWAP, which is where I will definitely get short. Anybody take it at 17? ES is below VWAP. NASDAQ's going to come with it. Full candle close, guys. There's both targets. There you go. Let me get the, whoop, damn it. Not used to trading with an ATM because I don't use it. It's going to want to hold VWAP. Target 183. Stop is at that 17. You got 400 sellers here, fellas, in this 3-minute bar. Daily goal hit on natural gas again. Listen, they're going to stop. They're going to prevent you. They're going to prohibit you from trading natural gas. You keep making your money every day on natural gas. Oh, you scumbag. There it is. Missed me by 2 ticks. There it is. 83 target hit. First target has been hit and filled. That'll probably get nailed at break even. Out at even. 83 target hit. Nice job, Paul. All right, fellas, 9 a.m. I'm shutting bots off until I come back from breakfast. Everybody good, fellas? Everybody good? This is coming down, guys. This is not a long. We're below VWAP. We now have 1,900 net sellers. if you're short ES, you're one target only. 7 ticks on ZB, nothing. ES broke down again below 3,700 and is now back above 3,700. Good Lord with that ES. Any questions, guys? Couple of trades. NASDAQ's pushing up. Target one filled, Russell. All right, guys. I got my bots. My bots are all on. Target one only. Okay. ES is going to need to get above 09 if it's going anywhere. ES above 09, we can work back up to that 30 area. But 09 is kind of the key. NASDAQ traded into yesterday's close and faded. Okay, I'm with you. NASDAQ probably a short below 32. There it goes. All right, ES shorted on the bot. Boy, it is volatile. This is a crazy, crazy volatility here. Right back to 3,700-ish on the ES. It doesn't want to give it up. But if we can break down below 95, she's coming. NASDAQ's long on the bot, which I don't like. One of them's not going to be right. NASDAQ's holding support down at 22. NASDAQ got target one and out. Target one and out. Now another long on the NASDAQ bot. Got target one again and out. Guys, we're crazy volatile. Okay. We're crazy volatile. We're trying to go higher. That I can tell you. We are fighting. Watch 11 long on ES. 11 long on ES. That would be your long on ES. NASDAQ, you can go long at, if it gets through 64, it's going 96. NASDAQ is trying to go up to 190. Yes, Paul. Yep. I have an 11 long on ES if it triggers. And NASDAQ, sellers in again, 18, almost 19. What? We're just chopping, guys. Chopping, chopping, chopping. You can cancel that 11. We're not going there. We're not going there. Coming down, fellas. I will be short below VWAP on the NASDAQ. 84 target. It is crazy volatile, just FYI. Crazy volatile. Okay? ES still doesn't want to give up the ghost of 3,700. I'll be short below VWAP, guys. Here it comes. Candle close below VWAP right now. Hang on, guys. I hit the wrong button. I still want to be short. Come on, get back down here. Get your ass down here. Whoop. Let me get that out of there and that out of there. Target one is, I have an 84. We'll call it 88. Target one, 88. Got to get that swing here. 20 stop. Got me. It's crazy volatile, guys. I'm telling you, we're still coming down, though. 2,000 net sellers. I'll be short again below VWAP. I'm going to take this off. I took my ATM off. It's too volatile for it. My ATM is too small. Break down below VWAP. I'm hitting it again. No buyers in this candle. Small sellers. If it's going to go long, I won't be long until we get above 62 with a 95 target. 11 on the ES, 62 on the NASDAQ. That would be NASDAQ long. And my short's the break below VWAP, which is where I believe we are going to go. $84 target 1. Ah, come on. Held VWAP again and again. You son of a gun. Come on. $300 sellers in this block, guys. 300. Still selling them. 320, 330. 330. Got to break down below VWAP. We keep pinging off VWAP. It's got to clear VWAP, guys. Son of a pup, man. It's held VWAP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Again to VWAP. There we go. 84 is where I'm trying to get target 1. 84. 84. 84. Come on. And back up. Are you kidding me? On no buyers. 500 sellers in this block, guys. Didn't get my target. Motherfucker. I'm out. Guys, this is crazy volatile. Crazy. Now we want to go up. That line is long. This is the long, 62. 62. We're going up on 180 buyers after 500 sellers. Not even 140 now. We're failing at yesterday's close every time, which is 53, 53 half. Russell bot short. $300 buyers in here. One tick from target. Target filled, Russell. Target 2, Russell. Nothing on the NASDAQ, nothing in crude, nothing in ES. I'm not trading natural gas. It's an 11 long on the ES. I'll take it long here, guys. That's right there. It's got to break through. Come on. That's the entry. I'm lagging, obviously. We're at 70. And I have 1. God dang it. Not used to trading with a Dom, fellas. Target is 195. Come on, push. A little bit of resistance here. If this, there it goes. 195 is target. Maybe 194, 196, somewhere through there. 94 to 96. My entry on the ES is 11, so I don't even have an ES trade. And it would be 30 again. We got to 87 on the NASDAQ, 87. Here comes ES. All right, here comes NASDAQ, 195, 196 target. 195, 196 target. There it is. You've exceeded it. God dang it, man. If I had 2 cars on, we'd be in good shape. Target is hit. That's target 1. Target 1 on the NASDAQ. Target 1 on the ES is going to be 16. 16. You can take risk off on the NASDAQ. We hit target 194 to 196 area. Okay. I only had the 1 on, or else I'd be at break even and leave it. 16 is target 1 on ES, and 30 is final target. Really, I should try to trade it to 30 target 1, but I know you guys will lose your marbles on that. It should go to 21. NASDAQ's almost green delta. Talk about a reversal. ES is lagging NASDAQ here big time. NASDAQ gets up above 200. It goes 215, 218 pretty quick. Above 200. Now you guys know why I focus on the freaking NASDAQ. ES, just a pain in the neck. ES has to hold 05 for me or else it's done. It's got to get through 12, maybe 13. NASDAQ, if you're anybody holding runners in NASDAQ, we get above that 202, 203. We're going 216 pretty quick. Pretty quick. ES trying to push. I'd show you order flow, but I can't move it. ES should go. Guys, if we get above ES, if we get above 14, if you want to be aggressive, you can move your target out to 21 if you want to take your first target at 21. But we've got to get above 14. I believe it will. NASDAQ's trying to go. It's just working through cells from yesterday, I'm guessing. All right, there's ES. Above 14, if you want to be aggressive, you can move your first target to 20, 21. Your prerogative. No, not fast enough. There's target 1, 16 target hit. My final target, guys, I'm trying to get to 30. ES blasted that 16. Now if it can hold above 20 area, next target up, wait for it if you've got runners. 340 if you have runners. 340. Hourly resistance is going to be around 250 area. 250. So this is NASDAQ should be free to give or take there. And if it gets through that, oh man, you're going to see just a complete rip. 330, not 340. Looks like we're finally breaking out of this consolidation, but the ES is going to have to get above pivots at 20, 21, and then break above 30. There goes ES. So 30 is where I'm trying to get this trade to on the ES, 30. Real stop, maybe 9 if you want to risk 2 points on the ES, 9. We should get to 233 now. Come on. Look at the CS on another chart. Yeah, my stop might be awfully tight at 11. On the NASDAQ, if you guys are out, I have nowhere to get back in. maybe right here, 206. You could try along at 206. Nice job, Ryan. We hit 7. You know, Carl, you guys trade runners as you see fit, right? We held 206. I mean, stop maybe 95 on the NASDAQ, 95. We held 206. That was another entry if you guys wanted it. ES now pushing. Look at ES on another chart. So for me, that 11 is it. I really don't want to see ES below 12. ES is crude is off to the races, almost $87. There goes ES. Come on, baby. 30 is my target, guys, on the ES. '21 is going to be some resistance. Maybe 22. NASDAQ held 06. Got back up to 25. We need to get, through this resistance here. And we slowed down to a dull roar. 30 minutes. We have some news at 10 o'clock. Existing home sales. Going to get taken out of that ES, it looks like at 11, unless it holds. 12. Well, help. It's a beat. Out. NASDAQ support 94, 95 right now. We're long NASDAQ, guys. We're just longs. I got taken out. There's a bot trade somewhere. Yeah, Russell. Still like NASDAQ and ES longs. Target one hit on Russell. Target one only. Yeah, gold is probably a long to 41. If you guys trade gold, you can take it long right here, 39.8. Target one is 41.7. 39.8 with a 41.7. Nice job, Deepak. There we go. Deepak, in about 5 minutes, you're going to wish you held those calls. NASDAQ got that 21 area. I'm sorry, ES. NASDAQ is going through its opening range high at 29.25. That is an automatic long, 29.25. We are now green delta on the day. There you go. Wow. We're going to get a short squeeze of epic proportions today. I mean, the NASDAQ DOM looks like my water meter again. It's been a long time since I've seen this kind of volatility. This is where we get a little bit of resistance at 250. ES is going to 30. And if it gets above 40, you're going to see a short squeeze of epic proportions. Anybody holding NASDAQ or ES? I have no bot trades, guys. I mean, we are just straight trend day. Took profit on NQ. Okay. ES runner. Long NASDAQ. All right, guys. Yep. Perfect trade, Ryan. Nice. Very nice. see what Tesla's doing. Is Tesla killing us? Apple's up $1.07, so we're good with Apple. Tesla's down $17. Where would your stop be on that? You see 11,220. Listen, guys, we're going to 350 today. Yeah, 215, 17. Guys, this is just an epic short squeeze. You can buy 3750 SPX puts. I'm sorry, call. But we had this big winner and now this winner. I'm not trading it today. It's inventory day. Russell's doing its job. Russell's up 450. ES doing its job, up 525. Crude hasn't taken another trade, up 880. And NASDAQ's up 1670. How am I trailing ES on what? The bot or on order flow trades? Matt, based on imbalances. Guys, this is just freaking epic. We're through 30. ES target now you trade to 3765. 3765. This is freaking epic, Greg. Where's this been for the last 2 weeks? Guys, we could get a massive squeeze to 3,800. If it gets above 65, I'm telling you, you're going to see it like instantly. Instantly. I mean, you can buy it here, Scott. You can buy ES here with a liberal stop. Because the next target up is 3765. We're going to have some resistance at that 40 area. Anybody take the gold trade? Your target is hit. Target 1 is hit. I know you did, Greg. Okay, Claudia. Target 1 is hit. Stop is at break even. Okay, Scott. Fellas, is there anybody not making money? Is there anybody that's not making money? We've got a lot of Ozzy again. Damn, Ozzy. What am I going to do with your brother, man? Nice job, Robert. Still long. Guys, we have a lot of trials in here this week. Okay, Doug. What's IT? What's it? Exceeded daily. Yeah, I know you did. I got your text. Oh, it's green. Okay. Guys, we have a lot of trials in here. And for some of you, it's, only your second day. Anybody have questions, fellas? I'll slow it down a little bit here. I mean, we've done really well again today. We may not see another bot trade. I mean, we're straight trend day up, but we're up significantly on the bots anyways. I would need a reversal to get another bot trade. Anybody have any questions? Trials? Most of you that are here on trial over the last couple of days were from the webinar on Tuesday. Many of you signed up for the trial. So today should give you a pretty good sense of what goes on in the room between bot trades and order flow trades. I do not think we're coming back very far. We hit first target on the ES and didn't fill it. Hang on, Clay, 1 second. Yeah, we should get 28. Yeah. Yeah. I do education on Saturdays, Clay, but I have videos in the member area. And of course, my phone number's on the website. You guys can call me I take calls 7 days a week. Now this weekend, Sunday I'll be at the game, but generally I take phone calls 7 days a week until 9 p.m. So if you ever, anybody that joins, any of my members, or even people that have questions, you can call me 7 days. Unless I'm at dinner with my wife. And the other night I actually took a phone call at dinner with my wife or at church. I will take a phone call. I don't understand that question, Clay. All 800 of you need to sleep at my house? I'm pretty sure I cannot accommodate 800. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it'd be tight, like really tight. I'm not sure I understand the question, Clay. Can you see what funded trading is all about before joining? I don't. I mean, most traders are familiar with getting a funded trader account. Well, I'm going to take a short on the NASDAQ, guys. I'm short NASDAQ 7150. You can see it on the screen. We're just kind of floating here. I don't want this above, really don't want it above 86, but my next 10-minute bar is not for 4 minutes. If NASDAQ breaks below 55, it will come back to 200, 204. I don't know that it can or cannot. You've always been under the impression that you get funded because you've been especially trained by the funding entity. Okay, well, one, I'm not a funding entity. I think I have, after many trials and errors, figured out what it is that they're looking for and how to get funded. So, I offer suggestions based on what I understand. I'm not going to. I'm not going to teach you to trade. Come on down. I was late on my entry, which should have been 78, 79, but that's all right. This is about where I'll have to kill it. We're back up into this resistance, and we're working through that resistance. Sellers in the previous candle. We've got small net sellers in the bar. If this rolls back down through 80, it'll come back down. 80 is kind of the key here. $30 is support now on ES. This is going to go back up. They're buying them. Come on, get down here. ES is holding 30. Was massive resistance, is now got to be very strong support. 30 on the ES, which we just tagged. We came a couple ticks from target. 37.5. Come on, got to come through this 80. That's the key. Here comes ES trying to get to target, but that 30 is going to be a floor, in my opinion. It was resistance the last couple of days. We've cleared it. If this gets first target, oh, it hit it to the damn tick. Hit it to the there it is. Got first target. NASDAQ should break down, guys. Got both targets. Okay. NASDAQ, I'm looking for first target at 56, 57. Crude just went short on the bot as well. Another day of not getting short targets. We have 15-minute support, guys, right where we stopped at 63. Right there. 61, 62 area. It's right here. This is support. Right there. If crude breaks below 18, got a 90 buyer that showed up at 72. Crude is short on the bot. I didn't even hear natural gas inventory. Crude should come to 07. I don't know that it can get that first target. Gonna be it. No, still held. Now I need to get back down below 75. Not going anywhere on 29 sellers. Got to come back below 75. Crude's going to try to work down to 07. Small sellers in here, though. Really small on crude. All right, I'm out, guys. Another one I didn't, on the short side, I didn't get target on. I still think this is going to work lower. But be that as it may, that was my stop. No, maybe not. Copper took off. Natural gas is getting a bit. I didn't even hear what the inventory was. Crude came down to my target at 5. It came to 5. It hit my target at 7. Plus 111 versus plus 107. All right, NASDAQ bot wants one more long trade, which it just took. One more trade for the road here, fellas. I don't like it, but let's see what she does. If it gets above 6, it's got to get above 6. That's its big resistance, 6. I think this is going to come down. Got sellers again. Sellers are trying. If it gets above 6, it's going back to 323. Buyers got them again. Went from net sellers to now net buying. Sellers are trying again. Yeah, above 03, this goes. Above 303, this goes 324 again. It's got to get above 03. Still have net buying, but it's small. I think we come back to 280 and possibly down to 261 unless it gets above 03. Above 03, it's going back up to 324. Just tag the trend line again at 11,300. Okay, so there's the 80. Now I think we come down to 261. Does not look like ES will take another trade. Natural gas has been off. I'll turn natural gas on for the last 10 minutes. Now that inventory's gone, I don't think it rolls over. It's the only way it takes a trade is a short. Crude got target 1 and that was it. Anybody have any questions, guys? Crude now headed to 78, should get target number 2. If anybody is short crude on the bot, it looks like it will get target 2. Crude is trying to sell below VWAP. NASDAQ just chopping around. Top of the hour coming, fellas. Top of the hour coming. ES, if it comes below 31, it runs into 30, but we could get a retracement there. NASDAQ support is 81. It's holding that area. It's like they all float at once. Everything slows down at once. NASDAQ back into that, I'm sorry, ES back into that 30. That's because the market's manipulated. I mean, they all just went like dormant at the same time. Everything. Russell, NASDAQ, ES, crude, everything went like radio silent. No, there's no news at 11. None that I'm aware of, other just top of the hour. I mean, I would expect a retracement and now, to try to kind of hang the longs. But it isn't, I mean, for instance, in the last 3-minute bar, the NASDAQ had 5 net sellers. 5. We are not going anywhere on 5 net sellers. That I can tell you. 7 net sellers in the ensuing bar. We may get one last long trade. ES has to come back up through 37, and it works to 50. No, I guess NASDAQ's not going to take a trade. The ES may. I told you over 303, it's going to 24. We popped 303. It should go to 330. NASDAQ should go to 330. They are all finding buyers simultaneously. ES may take another long here, guys. It's close. NASDAQ did not get the long. Never went into a short even on that stop out, so there was no reversal. We're pushing that what was resistance again at 4. Any questions, guys? Dean. Matt. Dean. All right, we're done. All right, fellas. Good day on the bots. Did anybody have any questions whatsoever? You're welcome, Larry. Any questions, fellas? You're welcome, Sally. Anything at all? All right, guys. Here are your bot totals. ES finished up 975. 975 plus. NASDAQ finished up 520 plus crude, which got first target only, finished up 1060. And Russell finished up 495. And then natural gas was $60. I didn't run it. $60 plus $60. So the bots finished up $3,110 today, guys. $3,110 day on the bots. Anybody have any questions, trials, etc.? Big day. Bots start at 6 a.m. at ES, crude, NASDAQ, and natural gas if you trade it, but I don't run it on Thursday. I ran it for an hour this morning, 6 to 7, but I don't trade it on Thursdays because it's inventory day. Same as I don't trade crude on Wednesdays. Personal preference. Be that as it may. And then Russell starts at 9:30. All right, fellas. I will see everybody tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. to wrap up the week. I will see my 1 o'clock guys in 2 hours. If anybody needs me, email me, please. Guys, have a blessed evening. 3 contracts, Eric. 3 contracts. You're welcome, Ryan. Guys, I'll see all of you tomorrow morning first thing. I'll see my 1 o'clock guys in 2 hours. Be blessed. If you need me, email me, guys. Trial members, I'll send you out a copy of this, the room. It's an unedited version of, it's just basically what you saw the whole time. So I do not edit it. If you want to watch it again, you may. If anybody else wants to see it, I post to YouTube every day. See you guys tomorrow.